YouTube. Out here testing out the Gilles Tooling rear sets. So far, I have to say I'm impressed. But they're less expensive than the Rizoma. They're like a step down from Rizoma. I think the Rizoma ones are like $1,100 to $1,200. These cost me about $900. I can actually get it in neutral better too. Oh, I love the way these feel, man. When I'm high in the rev range, I don't get vibration like I was getting with the stock ones. My shoe size is like 11.5, 12, so I have more room. Way more room. Oh, I like the heel guard too. I feel that on the brake also. Boom, just a little tap. I don't gotta go crazy. Oh yeah. I'm happy with my purchase. Boom, just a tap. Man, what a difference aftermarket rear sets can do for you. My face shield is filled with buggers. I can barely see. I gotta wipe these off. Hopefully you guys aren't. Oh my god, the quick shifter works better too. It's probably because everything is tighter too though. Look at that. Quick shifter is butter smooth right now. I can just tap the quick shifter now without having to, and it functions properly. Alright guys, back from my ride. I don't know if you can tell by the ride, but I like these things a lot. I'm very happy with my purchase. Yeah, I know it's only one ride, but one ride can tell you a lot. And these things are good. They are a little pricey. They're a little bit cheaper, as I said, cheaper than the Rizoma. But look at the quality of them. They're good, they work better. The quick shifter was working better. I don't know if it's because I tightened everything and everything's new and it's tight. I noticed as I was taking off the stock ones, a lot of everything was like kind of like shaking, and look how sturdy these are. It was like shaking already before I even took the stuff off, so stuff could have been coming loose, could have needed to be retightened or torqued down. But no need to do that. Got them replaced with these. Like I said, these are the Gilles Tooling. There's the website right there. On the website, you have a choice between this matte piece. You can get or a gloss carbon. And I skipped that, and I'm gonna just probably wrap this piece. I have like gloss wrap I can wrap it with. But if you're looking for something that's lightweight, The stock ones are a lot lighter than these ones are, but they work way better. So if you're looking to save weight, these are not going to do it, because they're made better, just better quality. They're thicker than the stock ones. But yeah, Gilles Tooling. So I'm impressed. Let me know what you guys think. If you're pondering about getting them, I'd say get them. I like them. I like how easy they were to put on. It's pretty much plug and play. Had a little difficulties on the other side, on the brake side. But yeah, let me show you the other side. On the brake side, but nothing too challenging. This is just kind of like a small area to work with over here. And then torquing this down over here was kind of hard. But other than that, it's pretty easy. Anybody can put them on. They come with directions, which are pretty good. And yeah, so. Alright, that's all I got. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll talk to you on the next one. Alright, peace.